We die, slogan. Oh, die, slogan. How come you come here if you can? Good afternoon, and welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're an English football supporter, mawanako, because all English clubs were beaten badly. Maneru, Anezuro, Togara Chingos my English clubs are gonna bora. Anyway, that is not the story that we are running with today. Today, we just want to have an open discussion, an honest discussion, especially regarding the mention on the picture there, Nelson Chamisa. Vanhu vakawanda, they've got theories concerning Nelson Chamisa, to be honest, and many people regard him to be a ZANU-PF project. Now, we won't beat around the bush, but we'll get straight to it. But Nelson Chamisa is one of the most formidable political opposition in Zimbabwe. Ndiye anonyatsozikanwa kuti ndiye ari against ZANU-PF, and he has gotten the most votes in the previous elections after taking over from President Tsvangirai ku MDC-T. Akafoma party yake Triple C, and it was quite a formidable opponent for ZANU-PF up until yatorwa na uyu mukomana uyu wekubhowa anonzanika uyu zita rake anonzi, well, I can't remember his name, but ndiye akaita ma-recalls ema-members of parliament Triple C. Okay, anonzi Chavangu. This guy anonzi Chavangu anenge wanoshandira ZANU-PF. So now many people are saying kuti Nelson Chamisa is coming out nemaposta ake achiposta paFacebook kuti there is hope, achiposta paTwitter, achiposta paX kuti there is hope for Zimbabwe. But many people are now beginning to doubt him. Many people are now beginning to see kuti ari two-faced. But what's your honest opinion, Chamisa? Because when he speaks against ZANU-PF, when Chamisa speaks, unonyatsonzwa kuti this is a person who is anointed kuti lead the change, the savior of Zimbabwe. But many people also at the same time are saying kuti is an ZANU-PF project, meaning kuti he is an opposition, but is an opposition inozikanwa neZANU-PF kuti uyu munhu ndewedu, and we can have him as a puppet. Anogona kungotaura zvaanoda nezvedu, but we won't have him arrested, we won't have him beaten up, we won't have anything bad to happen to him, but anenge ari munhu wedu. I don't know, guys, but this is just an analysis yangoya musoro mangu kuti okay, I have seen many places pano mention on Nelson Chamisa. Whenever he says something, many people, okay, most people are for Chamisa, but many also are against him. Vachingoti ZANU-PF project. What are your thoughts, guys? Feel free to comment in the comment section down below. Feel free to subscribe, to like, to share. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Ameno, ndibatsirewo pa channel panapa. It's a question yandinayo, it's an open question. Feel free to answer. Ichingonyorawo zvaunofunga mu comment section.